All right, boys and girls, this is another teacher challenge for beginning guitarists. This is going to use two chords. My beginning guitarists have already learned this chord. See if you can remember what it is. If you said G and the number 7, you've got it. G7. I'm pressing on the first fret on the E string to make an F note, and I'm strumming just 3 strings. This is my first, well, it's actually been my second chord, but that's the first chord that we've learned. Now, the new chord, which I have introduced to you once or twice, I think. This is the C chord. You need to be sure you can play this chord easily before you play this song because it utilizes or uses this C chord. I'm going to play the first fret on the second string, the B string, which makes the B string sound like a C note. Here's my C note. Place 3 strings, and then we have a C chord. So, when you can do this is your first Teacher Way challenge. Be sure you can play this chord very clearly. And if it's tricky, you do your chord find game, where you put your hand on your lap and you say 1, 2, 3, C chord. There you go. You find it as quickly as you can. You try that a few times. 1, 2, 3, C chord. See that? Got my nice mouse hole right there. I've got some room under there. Not too low, not too high. Nice and round. And my finger is not touching anything except the second string, so it sounds very clear. That's your first Teacher Away challenge. Once you can play this Teacher Away challenge on the C chord, you can practice switching. We're going to switch like this. 2, 3, 4. And we're going to wait 4 beats. 2, 3, 4. And when we get to 4, we're going to start to play the G7. Wait, 2, 3, 4. Back to the C. Strumming 4 times, and then we have 4 rests. Now when that's easy, I'm going to cut it down to just 3 rests between each 4 strings, like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and back. This is going to help me speed up. When I do this many times, it's going to make it easier for me to speed up. I'm going to cut it down to 2 counts between each chord now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 4, switching back. 1, 2, switching. And so on. I want to do it enough so that it's easy. When I feel like it's easy and it's comfortable and I don't have to try, you want to eliminate the feeling of trying to move back and forth. You may need to take a break. Give your finger some rest. I'll tell you a trick about that after we're done with this. I'm going to cut it down now to 1 rest between each group of 4 strums. I'm still strumming 4 times. Here we go. 1. 1. 1. 1. Again, make sure I can do that easily before trying to eliminate all of the rests. This time we won't have any rest between. Starting on the C. Ready, go. Shift. There we go. When that is easy and comfortable, you will be ready for the next video where we'll play a song called Polly Wally Doodle. So try that for your Teacher Way challenge and then move to the next video when you're ready.